Day 125 was a negative 0.32% day, and let me explain why. So this is a bottom-up reversal I traded on Micron Technology. Now we had a bounce on this level here, support level. I entered the trade confidently with somewhat of small share size, 10 shares. I entered that trade and I was supposed to wait till the trend line to execute on selling. Okay. I did not. I got a little pop into this and I sold it. Yeah. Extremely frustrating. Anywho, I need so much work in that area. So I sold early. This would have been a one and done trade. It would have been done at like 15 minutes into market open. Like it was a good setup. Not amazing, like decent sized shares. There was no reason to exit the trade and I exited. So because of that, I FOMO'd into not even a good setup, not even a trade that I would ever trade. I entered a position with heavier share size. So this is a perfect example of FOMO and just trying to extract something from the market when really there's nothing there. Not a good setup. So we had a head and shoulders somewhat pattern here. We sold off, then started coming back up, and we were starting to push the volume weighted average price. So I was expecting potentially, and this is not in my playbook, I have not tested this, so I was too heavy share size. It should have just been one share. I wanted to try to get the bottom of the floor of pre-market here. So that didn't happen clearly, and we sold way off. I entered position pretty well the worst spot, and I got stopped out for a negative 0.32% day. So I wouldn't have taken this trade if the first trade would have went well and I executed it properly. There was tons of conviction there. I had done my homework on predetermined support levels and everything. So this is a frustrating day because of my lack of execution on a good trade, I took a poor trade and got destroyed. So yeah. Anyways, that's another day in the journey. A little frustrating because yeah, could have been totally avoided this ugly trade anyways. Hope you guys have a better Wednesday than me. Just kidding, it's not that big of a deal. See you tomorrow.